wonderful people, Grand Rising. Welcome to this morning broadcast. Once again, it's another Basbos. Welcome. Let me use a moment to share this in our WhatsApp groups. Yeah. Aka na-eti Igbo atibe egwu ọfụma, egwumegwu oyoko, oyoyo tibe egwu ọfụma, egwumegwu oyoko. Aka na-aka ịgba kụba egwu ọfụma, egwumegwu ịyanga, oyoyo tibe egwu ọfụma, egwumegwu oyoko. Aka na-eti Igbo tibe egwu ọfụma, egwumegwu oyoko. To this morning, I don't know so this thing see the ekene papa ekene agwụ nne na nna ịmana ekene agwụ ekene nne ekene nna ekene agwụ nne na nna let me pin you ekene agwụ ayoro kwiriyo ayoro nwa mama ayoro yoro kiriyo ayoro nwa mama ofu nwa bụ nko ijekirije ofu nwa bụ nko tete ofu nwa bụ ndị otu dubonchi let's greet our people. Ebuka is a Wagbashi authority Nabundo. Well done. Welcome. Andy Emeka, Darwanne. I see you. Welcome. My people, please hit the like button and share the video. Like and share because this morning broadcast, we are going to show some people something. You know, say, you get some people who no get sense. All right, Alaji, Onyeze, welcome. Pat. Some people, now then they use their hand, they carry them legs come outside. Guys, please, I'm seeing only the comments on the King of the Game. You, if you are commenting on any of our platforms, I salute you. I greet. Of course, we are going to be getting the same message. Let me block one also. We are going to be getting the same message. Now, this is a Basbos broadcast. And as always, I have my opening line, which is Akere Zion. This Utogo that's here with this family destroyer. He will not do anything. They never born him a shawo mama. Make it do thing. If you get people where they fear him, he go know them. But I will tell you once again, he is a complete nobody. If he try me, I go mess him up. So make you not be like say, he get wood and they fear. Now, you know, whenever they are under pressure, you will see them on the platform of the Ekberima in Chicago. Like, I'm asking you again, can anything good come out of Ogoshi Okekenjaka? They were there. I just saw the video. It's a clip. And he was answering a question nobody asked. You say, Akuzano Swalma Bafia Asato. in Mozambique, Maputo, with Udoka, the stammerer from Ukpo. Okay. No, me, I want come to Mozambique matter, but I want first start from Brazil to Malawi. Okay? I go talk waiting I hear about Malawi, so now you know whether that's true or not. Since he don't decide, say, he go on social media, they discuss Ngongo business, or you make all of us discuss Ngongo business. Those of us we know wetin be Ngongo na DRUG. Now DRUG. So if you hear me they mention Ngongo, now because of Facebook, please hit the like button and share the video. Somebody say Escobar, yeah, we cheap Escobar. I greet all of you. Marianne Chisom, Pat, I see you. Another part, Bazi, King Samalo, Auntie Mama Sabo, bless them. Welcome. My people, please hit the like button and share the video. The affair is from hey. Because one debiri, keep boy on the ball. Ebony son, I greet you one day. Dalu, my brother. Alex, you know, so Chikwendo. Please, Ebony son, what about our brother Chisoba that's in detention for exposing those they gave money for hawkers. These hawkers, where they take the insult Ebony people. Now they don't bring money to give them. Some people go carry and they share their family. Their family where they chop money, where them they thief from government, they go still carry their name, put for where poor people dey. Who do this thing to our people? Who do this thing? Now this kind of thing, nobody go talk about them. This Ebuka Obi will not use his platform to say who is holding that man, because all of them they protect their interest. You know, sir, if he face them, they go expose them as a pedima. Okay? Una dey see am? So that one aside, my people, Aku was on I don't know whether you go down one fuck that Ashawo for Chicago, because somebody say you once did. Guys, they don't report Ishi now. Please hit the like button, like and share, so they don't and leave a positive comment. So to counter this their report, I don't show na voice note now when they plan how then they take report Ishi now, but they will fail. Hit the like button and share. If it disturbs, then we may have to go to undiluted truth. Prince, one down. Okay, we may have to go to undiluted truth. So we don't, let's just run it like this. Let's just run it well. Hold on. You see Njoko, King Shamalo again, Charlie Troy, Osinachuku Ahmed. Well done, my brother. John Chekwas diary. This guy. Frank Ike. Hey, how to send stars? How many people? My brothers, if you want to send star, now near that, let me finish the program first before let's do that and not distract us. Let's not. Pascal, I see you, my brother. Chibuna, Izumwa, well done. My wonderful people. Like I said, they'll be reporting Ishina, but it will not work. We must analyze what he said. Nobody should accuse us of bringing someone's leg outside, because he get waiting person go come they use the confuse ordinary people, and I go still show on a fake miracle where some churches I no go mention name, but by the time where I go to talk am on I go know where they go. How then they use desperate people for their church as nnunu where they carry something, they go India, other Asian, other parts of Asian continent, and many places where they carry the thing go sell. And even people where they from West African countries, they run out for them. Sometimes they are known, they come out from Ivory Coast to all these places. Some of them get contact for that airport where they no go search those people. Since they want to talk this thing, all of us go talk am today. All of us. Nobody should call me on the phone and say stop or something. You see this particular one, I get cookie day. I get kugide akoichori ikwu. Don't worry. You will still revisit the page of Ashawo Chicago where they share the nude of Igbo women. Okay? No, like these people, their own na to the scatter people family. Ebuka Obi, they use prophecy, they do. Accusing on them, they na them be people where they pay Ogoshi. They will, you will not deny not that one don't they post money where you send them now. They receive today. Now them they use that like they are the best documentarians of their crimes. You people don't understand. Let me play the broadcast I'm talking about, then I will analyze. Bishina do na che yada na social media. Now, I don't know the question they asked him. He dabbled into saying that, you know, they do ngongo business. Saying, you know, they do ngongo business. Then, I noticed some lies inside what he said, and that's what I want to point out to you, because many of us don't understand the code and everything. And I'm not talking from the position of an outsider. So I don't know what you want to teach me for that line. No be now police, NDLE, now they use those kind of words. They confuse, no be us. The title of the video, I am waiting for you. Charles Edmond, thanks for the 50 stars. I'm going to They say, I am waiting for you and your police. Accusation challenges, not challenges, you see, the right challenge. Though saying he is into ngongo business. Now, let's hear him expose himself, my own, to the run analysis. Mona Colin, I should write down and say, no, everything good. Yabia ka ije office obu na ochoro ego ya ga na phone call ka o ga na eri o carry go to on the village unu ka ga na intimidate anu mpana akere here the akere why the thing on the seas sorry
almost I go put on na so go pay am na eche ambassador of police ka police ga go see me bo ahodo. I'm waiting for police. I'm patiently waiting for everybody. And only about police and them all change can not get battalion. You understand? So because
he say he dey wait for people wey saying they do gongo business, make them call police. Say if police come, when they start finish, they no see anything. If that person no go prison, he go know what you concern. Now, also, if I am bringing men to come and pick you based on ngongo business, by then I go don't pick the people where they run around for you. So stop like all these kind of things now. People where these their Zion bees, they go say, oh, he said if they come, he go keep ngongo for your house. I be people where they run around for am no day. Those people where they run around for them, they don't get people where they get problem with. Ngongo no be one network. No, now those people then go catch. By the time they go squeeze them, now then go point you hand. No be person go come point you hand direct, because we know how the structure they now. And we know where everyone is placed. In the scheme of things, we know your position on the pyramid. So why you go they do like don't worry. How we go come there? Now your boys, people where they go message for you, or people where them do prophecy say they see say they go be odogu, etichagi buro odogu, then go give you visa, put visa for your passport. Some of them they go ask who get a so visa for you to oh I get on nosy, I get on angel. Then go carry. Some of them will get problem. Now from that place, then go take trace and come reach your hand. Yes, now. Now your Zion B people, you go they tell this thing where you they talk here. Who even asked you that question? Who even asked you that question? Why would Ozu, because you are a dozo na Ozu? If you get sense, are you supposed to be saying this thing on social media, or you think when you say it we will not respond? Eh? You think we will not respond when you say this one? All of us will be frightened or be afraid of because we do what? Agwagodu ndị na-agba egbe na Igbo, iru ugodo ofu, and ndị nke anyị na-eji ikpọ ha wamakwachi ha. Kata ma ha ga-anara gị ego a jee tinye ndụ ha at risk na ndụ family ha at risk, anaghị ego agbagbuo gị. Anụ mpama. Let's continue.
I refuse to let it matter today. Go and ask anybody in Germany. I have no friend. I have no friend. Both old members and members. I go on my own.
See the Onyoshi. Like, why would you be seen with this Ekperimo Goshi Okeke Njaka? If you are a good person, why would you be seen with this Onyoshi, this Ekperimo Goshi Okeke Njaka? Abi, you know her record? Eh? Mr. Obi? Mr. Obi? How is the case of Mr. Obi? Isiagu that ignorantly defended you. What did you do to Isiagu? In fact, after this video, I'll contact Isiagu, see if she's free this evening or this afternoon. I will interview her. So you people will know who this evil is. This Onyoshi. I get her case file. I get her case number. She faced many charges. If she no be thief, Zion people buy ticket for her, make she come Nigeria. Buy ticket for her, even the ones where she shared their nude, the ones where she did blackmail. Then go jail this experiment. America na your father house? Eh? America, make she even do video without filter. This experiment. Make she do video without filter first. The old thing. The two children where she born na imbe. Na she born. Let's continue hearing from the Tozo.
Which been on my own. A word has not career. And this is problem. He made mistake. He made me take a step my camera and just tear you down because I know my class. He might ask for even no. Because this thing even not about. Don't try to say with against anybody around me. I will screenshot there with them. Ebeku that now this guy has he's one of the guys that made a G with Zion ministry and now he's falling out with them. Blah 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 blah. I think I have a little story to tell about. I want everybody to listen and listen very attentively. I have a little story to tell about that young guy. Although Ghana, I think Ghana area 2 got report on the matter. Himself got area 2 got report on the matter. Which the people of Ghana, which he also called myself. Also called my hand. All the hand petition here. Now there. So by the grace of God, I get my point. But let me say how it happened. We are on air and everybody's hearing it. This guy came to Zion ministry and give testimonies. When this guy gave a testimony, it was later, after the testimony, it was later alerted. Than testimony, yes, that was the day. It was later alerted that testimony was fake. So, which I will not disclose there for some reasons. How we got to know that it was fake. From day one, only the testimony, the following the catch up that not fake, and every eye was on him. Everybody was strictly.
Excuse me. You said the person said that he participated in RNG testimony. Now you are telling us that after the testimony, the next day, you people realize that it was fake. Hold on. It was the next morning that you guys realized that the testimony was fake. Listen. One of the names they call this Wozu, wake up in business money finish, carry Bible, they rob people, they call Ebuka Obi. This is Ekperima. Since he saw Fuchalafancha, why didn't he see that one? Why didn't he see the fake testimony coming? Why didn't Ebuka Obi see that he was approaching his sanctuary with fake testimony? Now the person came and told you he was used to do RNG. Okay, you said it was the next day that you people realized that the guy faked the testimony. Anikalude Chima, thank you so much for the 100 stars. It was the next day you realized that he faked the testimony, right? Now, did you come out and say this boy came and gave us a fake testimony in the church? Can you show us a video clip? Because on a church, mostly now from online, on a money they come. Those poor people wait food there. No be them, they bring the money. Now why they go come there? 10 years, they never see Ebuka Obi. But if you come from abroad now, they go see you. They go see you. Akiri Zion. Akiri Zion. Why didn't you people come and shout it on air? Tell me. Complete illiterate is Victor. This guy who knows it. On a walk. See how you are. No, Ebuka Obi suppose they see Fanchana. Why Ebuka Obi no see say that guy can't do fake testimony? Shebi when I said it in the police, we go they get updates. We go there. Can you show us who you called on the phone and said it was a fake testimony? Make we go telecommunications company. Go bring that call record. Play am in court. Would you play the audio? Is there any evidence? Oh, some people know. But you kept quiet. Why didn't you come and say this guy came here and deceived us? Now it gets to the second gear. How did they manage to deceive of Fancha no Mesere Fancha? They don't attack Ishi. My people, please hit the like button and share the video. Hit the like button and share the video before this thing will go down. Ndi Oshi. Ekuma, my brother Stephen Alpha. Umokoko.
Telling him, yeah, that be the one. That be the one from the CCTV camera. Okay, the given is from the CCTV camera. Exam ministry. So he was being monitored. He made a press. Not by the whole committee. Not everywhere. Even my property. Why have to say about property, man? Yeah. They push. No, without knowing that now. Everybody move on now. Because I know a place where only in Adia, only Amanadia. Muno Mum did at the Pusayano. Yembu a Christian, Mau get born again. You go, I can tell you what you they don't come now in a Macan yet now. Macan, however, putting it down or made it out. Actually, one day say,
excuse you, don't let the G can. See, I don't need to be showing the face of this also. But let me, if you see, even knows Urini, affording by J pants, is even there. Like, this is how you will know that these people are a bunch of criminals, riffraffs, and umuguk. Can J Park ever support anything good? Now, this Ako, the person he's talking about is the person that accused him of trying to tie his wife. Tell me. Not be the guy where accuse you say you want tie his wife and you went and asked the wife, what are you doing with this person? True or false? True or false? The guy plainly accused you. Okay, you will say you petition somebody for police because of your daddy Ebuka Obi man. Okay? Why would he be your daddy? Be like say they do this Pontius pilot, for inside there. He don't be like say they do. I don't know why you go to call him that daddy as what. You know say I know they hide again. Now they plain sight. Now brain go take the decoder. So they depend on CCTV, the real time evidence where they Ebuka Obi sees all in the other step. My brother don't mind this people. Don't mind in that. So how come the person you say you don't know, he's just coming to the church, you are not mingling with people in the church, but somehow you know his wife. to the point of trying to tie her. Because the guy said it. Write a counter petition too against him. We send her for area 2 police station. Oh yeah, now all of us there Abuja here. Ojirika, thank you for the 200 stars, my brother. Eh? How come now? Go sue am. You carry person go and say, oh, nah, no be Ebuka Obi do am. Oh, nah, you do am. Because of what they do for. Well, the guy is accusing you Ebuka Obi of arranging one. Yes. So why are you defending? Meanwhile, back to the Ngongo. People, let me tell you people this story. And you will know. How, thank you. Don't let Gigi thank you for the 10 stars. Thank you for the 10 stars. See, let me tell you. This Ebuka Obi church, I'm not saying they are doing this one publicly yet, but I want to tell you what one church was doing in Lagos before. Now, if you know first tag, say hello. If you know first tag, say hello. Then, if you know FHA, field, help me write FHA, because I want people, like, I want to give you the map of the place I'm telling you now. That place was one of the, thank you so much for the 550 stars. Now, my brother, we know first start. Do you know 4041? Do you know 4041? Near 7 Days Kitchen. If you from Amuwodo the enter First Start, you follow First Avenue. After Two-Face Club, Rumors. Somebody says, how do you want the hello? Eh? If you pass Rumors, you go see that place where they call Benny's. That Benny's, you know 4041. Thank you. If you follow them straight, you go turn like this. Now, that road that they talk about, you go past 7 days. Now, you know that young shall grow house where they live. Young shall grow, the one where get transport, the transporter. That young shall grow house, opposite them. Opposite that young shall grow house. Now, those of you where Amsterdam, yes, Benny Hotel, yes, Benny's, yes. Those of on our way there Amsterdam, I remember when person jump from, although many people jump from building, but he get the one wearing that time because the investigation about the guy too much. Those of on our way there Holland, when it happen, you go know that guy they call him Igbo. Igbo Holland, it be like saying from Ozobro, Bishop Ozobro, suppose now. It be like saying from Ozobro. Igbo, that Igbo, in other brother, after that time where person jump, now, not before Burma, not for Burma from Sada. In fact, they don't knock down all the buildings. With all the top buildings where they there, they come knock them down that time. They don't build new project there, but now just 5 and 4-story buildings. Now you go see them. They say they no one make people they jump from building. Imagine how they because of people who go jump from building, they go knock down a whole city block. The full building. The only place where you go see top building there. Now that one where one day. One day behind that Ogiri side. Then that side where they play tennis. Now me and there's another follow go that area. We patrol that place. You say na Bishop company guys, make you know so I know they talk rubbish. Now, opposite that young house for 4041, he get one club where they there before, where later close. If you go there, you no get a signboard. But people they there steady, they play snooker there. Eh? Now there, in brother, we call the answer Igbo, they manage. Now that place, I they tell you, if I they tell I go anything, I go show you everywhere. I go carry you with my 2 legs. Go there, them know me. If that place still they active. Children hospital, they near them. After the children hospital, you go see one children's school where they there. Even that young house, they convert them to hospital around that kind 2014. I don't know whether they later use and do hospital. Now that place they attack young. If you go that place, mastoid, ask Tochuku, he knows me. Ask what's the name of that our boy Somto Pimola, that one well fair, but it be like say he add bleaching cream to in fairness. Pimola, make I they give you names. You got the one where Amorous. All of these people who they mention now, then they FHA. If you go mention the name for FHA, any old boy with the FHA know the best. Now, for that place, he get one church. I don't the time down. He get one church where all these guys when no get work, where they do or they no get a steady job. Then they did there, they find contact who go give them the ones where they go carry go island, go market small or Ikeja, all those kind of things. Then some of them go the one who go send them. Thanks Kings for the 50 stars. Then go they find who go send them. Go message. Maybe West Africa or abroad. Now, when somebody spots you, that time they know them with one perfume. Like I'm saying, this thing happened in the first stack. You know who I'm talking about. You know who I'm talking about. In fact, if you die abroad, any onion gem, will come where they smell that perfume. No say that that group send them. Now let me tell you how they recruit some people there. All these ones where they want make them go all these their suicide mission. Because if person give you market, make you carry they go Asia. Now suicide mission. Then go tell you, hey, why you know they go church, you know they follow others, go they pray, may your God save you. That time, whether not Tuesday or Wednesdays, then they do their prayer. That's why they tell you, Okoro still day first stack. So check any church where don't move and they don't do anything. See if you are connecting the dots. When I no go hear them from my mouth. Then you go that church. As you they enter that church, person where they go give your information don't they? Now then go start prophecy. Makande teacher aburo dogu kan nagwagi ya. They will start prophecy. I see you traveling to Thailand. You go to shout amen. Amen. I see you going to India. I see you go say you no get passport. And they go ask you whether you that man of God. You go do. You go they pray. Now, before you know, somebody go come contact you. Maybe if you don't come like 1 month, 2 months, somebody go come call. Although they go down, they monitor your lifestyle. That place where they gather, all the places where people they gather. Then go. One person go call you. No be that person will tell you make you they go there. Go call you. They tell you say, God say make you make he help you. Say that when they pray. And he don't see you like 2 or 3 times. Say you dey very dedicated. You say God say make you help you. Whether you go like travel, you go say when you reach house, you go carry their olive oil, the rub. Say God don't answer your prayer. Oh, thank you, God. Oh, thank you, God. Oh, so this pastor they actually see. I dey tell you why many of them head dey there, and many churches. I dey tell you. Then go come call you. They go first stack, do passport for you. Then get click for that passport office where we say if you go today, they will give you your passport today. In fact, some people where them arrest by some kind way, court go say make them grant them bail. Their case go still dey court. They go come change their passport for first stack. That time, waiting they take change the passport inside na 90,000. But because you know it depends on the percentage where you meet. You get people where you go meet now 120. You get people who go meet now 150, 200. Okay? You know what I they talk. In fact, my old passport, na first start. Well, see my old passport, na first start. Na first start. Okay? So if I dey tell you, how many passport I get for Turkey too? Now that place, I still change this one. The other one where still there. In fact, the two passports still they read though. Now, if I dey tell you, I dey give you evidence. I go dey call name. You understand? Now, then go do your passport, come. You go carry your passport to go altar, go lay am. If you know any church where many Igbo youth, young boys, they enter, then they put their passport for that place, make them they pray for them. That church, that ministry, abi church, they am word of it. Hello, hello. You dey hear me ba? Are you still hearing me? Nti adekwa. Nti adekwa. Now, you go dey pray, God, Thailand. You go dey dream na so tie something you go dey see. If you see Thailand for movie, yeah, you go dey tell say, may the words of your prophet come to pass. Now, then go when your this thing go ready. If na carry, you want carry for bag, they will call you, put that visa for you. Then they go tell you, say, oh, rub this oil. If you rub this oil, you go do this one, you go do this one. If you pass, they go do you. Now, many of them get people, they na an airport, people where they go bribe for airport. That NTLE, they go call you. Wait, make I block one also. They go call you. They go carry your passport. They go look at. They go check name, check list whether your name their name go there. Just carry and give you, wave you. You go think say na the perfume where they give you make you spray. You go think say na you know say that person will come drop you for airport. You don't from back go pay who then they pay. Submit your name. They go even tell them the color of clothes where you wear. You go pass. Think say na the juju. Now, those days. If something pass from Nigeria airport, there is a 90% chance you go reach where they go. When you go there. If na country where if you carry money come back, they go still give you some money, make you carry come back. And the person where you go meet, and a generous person, if you open bag, if na 5 bag they inside, if na 3 or if na 7 they inside, out of happiness, if you dash you $2,000, say make you take good go do shopping. Then you go palm your $2,000, use something like 500, 1,000, buy clothes, buy everything, come. After 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you don't come back. Then you go come give testimony. Oh, they pray for me, and I go anointing, miracle money, come my way. Oh, teacher Oburodogwu. Ndi nke teacher toro nanga. You will not hear about that one. That is why I'm telling some people that are making noise. If investigation wants to start, it go reach Ethiopia, it go reach India. It's like I go mention countries. If need be, Nigeria will sign this thing with those people that we need this criminal. He is going to be in jail. We write that thing. They go extradite you. Then you go come point who give you. That one go come point who this thing until he go get to who get the market. You see, so don't if Zeus in our social media akoheri. Ibu puto onwegi nyaka to sagi. Ntogi ka belo okerika. Ntogi ka belo okerika. If you keep embarrassing yourself on social media, I could get one story where I hear 27 bags from Brazil to Malawi. Then from Malawi, he reach where he reach. Do you know that story or not? Because I hear saying that since after that story, your head no day house. I'm asking you a question. I am not accusing you yet. And When Brazil people go wake up, I go call who I go call. You go give me the year where this thing happen. And that no onye na-agba afia nọ na Malawi because unu chọrọ ibupụta onwunu ka unu na-achọ ibupụta. You dey hear me so? You dey hear me so? Because when you see that part, if you want to tread that part, believe me, we go dey do 5 live videos every day on that one. I go begin mention name of people where they please. Those of on our way they talking. Do you remember Eminem? All these new ones no go. If you don't know Eminem, if you don't know Eminem, but he get the time where Eminem buy X's. Somebody don't use Eminem motto do testimony. Say only teacher or buru do we go market come back. No, ego no buru then give am o. Nego no buru they give am o, but you use another person X's. Come to say they do for a teacher or buru do now he don't buy car. Emecha ko Eminem buru moto. Hello. If you don't know Eminem, ask Zigima. Ask Abuchi in brother. If you know Chinedu Madobong, one shepherd brother, ask him, he knows Eminem. Ona dey hear me so? Ona dey hear me so? Like, mbuputunu. Imegide mbuputunu. Ndecide ya ibuputunu. Believe me, enweghị onye n'ime unu ga-afọ. Onweghị a single person n'ime unu ga-afọ. I will just call Gazama on the phone. If you don't know who be this Gazama, ask Simon Ekpa, who be the Fulani man wey give am visa when he take travel go Finland. Ask Simon Ekpa, who give am visa when he take that Fulani man wey give am that visa. Well, he know General Marwan na them that their family them. You don't understand me? So if I want deal with you via that side, in fact, now from your old telephone numbers I go start. You cannot go and unsay things you said on those phones 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And any code where you use there, me I know I go be their code breaker. Okay? I go be their code breaker. If you talk about clothes for India, I go tell them, so no mind them, will not be clothes be this thing that they talk about. If you talk color of clothes, color of house, color, I go tell them, no mind them, you see this one, that white one, now coke n. Nka no ocha. This one no G. This one na. So, and I don't care who you think, maybe you not get all these low-level officers for NDLU where una they pay money, but if I use my hand, carry your case, reach that side, you go wrong. It got back also from now. And remember, asset for future day. If you like, put your property for your wife number, they go collect everything. You where they talk nonsense. If they tell you make you bring your tax return now, you go free bring them. Federal Inland Revenue Service itself go seize everything where you get if they want plan that way. Because that's your money now. This one, it enters also that where the business where you take and do. Where the business will give you go bring receipts now, bring evidence, bring the bank transaction. If you know they go put on suspense first. And you know say if they catch you from Gongo, asset for future. There, make I tell her now me go check when they put assets for future for NDLU. Now me write them directly. Go give General Marwa for your number. And now people will go set their father up. I want to show them say I get the power to destroy each and every one of them. Now me do am go tell all of them where they do go tell them say now so I talk am no more akuria. Check the year where they put am now which year reach Nigeria. Maki isuzuo ipu ara ngwo gara You are a fool nobody. Epuara, ngwogara. All these things where I talk, I mention names, mention locations. Go ask anybody where they there. You know, say when you just keep quiet, oh, we see, say nobody, no way, my aka na electric. Kunezi aka na high tension, iki ikwete. Umokoko. Even those of us where get labs for the southeast, where they manufacture this thing inside on our villages. When you reach, so no go they talk, oh, when they come to my house. No, what if we go to your village? And some of us where buy land for Ogun State. What do they do for those land for Ogun State? Before, back of Iba. Thank you so much for the 200 stars, Emmanuel. No, it's a buputo mwega, idere ka buputo mwegi. Ide Delta na Ifu Delta. Oshimili, South and North. Even within Asaba metropolis. So if investigation, no, they shall say, no, now your boys go carry them, come meet you for house. Now their boys go carry them, come meet you for house. So, can not run a social media now, one papa. Can not run a zuzu. Idiot name way sense. Anum pama, uzumurang. Okoko. It you know, like, obu name we are ndi kachashike, otu no ifuo. Ifuo. Onye ka ebode. Anum pama. You want to be popular, don't worry, we will make him notorious. You want come social media now, go and meet your Ashawo Ogosho Kenjaka. Go meet him. Aku, if you are not a criminal, what are you doing with a gazetted criminal? What are you doing with a gazetted? Make sure now the one of our case numbers. Unwoshi. Make I show on one of our case. Na koiri akoiri. Obu num kunu na koro nonsense ha. Onwenu nke ma ho. I want to know the latest one where you do. I know people where I go call. Or phone call get him. Ndoshi. I know the accused person. Rotate abeg. Ha, Emmanuel, thanks for another 200 stars. I'm coming. I'm trying to rotate the file. That would be it. Oh yeah. In the Federal High Court of Nigeria, in the Abuja Judicial Division, holding at Abuja on the Thursday, 10th day of November 2022, before his lordship, wait, I no one put the name, make the name of the person. See, now their case be this. This Emeka and 3 others. Ogoshi follow for these 3 others. Now that Emeka, where then they use thief the people money, where they coordinate for them, and they vote for Nigeria. See, I'm here. 3 others. Emeka, Ogoshi, the Ebuka brothers. Those 2 where go they beat Portable. Those 2 cowards where go they beat Portable. Not them. In fact, I will share this thing inside our WhatsApp group. I will share them inside our WhatsApp group. You see, so Akuzayon, if you know be Onyoshi, what are you doing on Onyoshi's platform? If you know they support people where they share women nude, what are you doing on Ogo Showcase platform? If you know beyond Ngongo, why Ngongo people everywhere know you? What business were you doing in Pakistan? You want talk nonsense? I go mention the name, the restaurant of the person where you they sleep for that Pakistan that time. You know these people where poverty worry when they get money and they come be illiterate. Now like this they behave. Not before restaurant you they sleep when people close up. People where they Pakistan back me up on this. This guy be know they sleep for restaurant for Pakistan. I don't know PK. Yes. Like which one? I'm asking you this question, so you need to answer them. Since you work on the answer, I'm going to go question. You work for restaurant for Pakistan. Where that guy be like saying a Enugu guy. You work for a restaurant. I be the Anambra guy self. Where you work for a restaurant. I go wait, make people who I want call make I finish this video. I go download your information, everything. Then I go come call Mozambique people. In a we go still Greece, South Africa. No, not Koheri. Like what are you pulling? You think you can bamboozle also if you can't talk am now? People go ask us on our show. This way na they talk on our show. The more you try to bamboozle us, is the more we find a loudspeaker. I like Josie, not like you see this Ebuka nonsense. If I like, I go carry microphone, they go market to market for this Abuja, they tell people, nobody they give miracle money. Only for you know they do anything, you know. People will tell and say they see. Go their village for Buruye Jofo. Criminals don't take over that place, so make them pray, make them come out first. The land where una say una buy from Bise, not be inside that place. This is Chaka and the people camp. Not be inside that place. So you know settle them and they allow you to go enter there. Are you working with Umo Tero? So umuzumpia unu na n'ime warehouse unu aka unu ga na akọrọ nonsense. Okay? Imagine, even Ebuka try to tell people, imagine, like, why do you feel the need to respond to this particular issue? Even when it's not the main topic being discussed. A chọcha no onye ga defend gị n'ihe ngwungwo bụrụ akpa m J-Park nwere ihe pasta. J-Park oji ọcha o nwere nke ọ ga-enenenwu. Ọma ahịa dara 1-to-1 without Ishi unless is the nweto si mee na lab. Mana ọ bụrụ ma arụtarị ọfụma n'ebe arụrụ ya, ine ya anyị ma anaghị aga adawa. Otu ozu J-Park anywhere belle face. Nyejuo ma afọ nye microphone one of ukpo. Idowe onye a n'ụlọ ahịa dị, ọ na-eshigodu n'ime ọma dị na ahịa nọ dị. Na-emugu anụmanụ nwa village. Ndị na-abịa wetere m ọnụ nwa village. Onye na-abịa ka ọ bịa defend gị n'ihe ngwongwo ụsụ. Mpama ka gbafuo n'ihe. J-Park, I challenge you, take one post. Come on, I guess you go there. I challenge you, take one post. Come on, I guess you go there. Marake manke wa herself. On your card. No card in the right before now. Why you go they tell on us saying do tiling, do this one? They too ashamed to tell on us saying they do a card. Nekureku. Under the burgin or card, I get cookie to whoever they do. Also, Ndi Igbo. Not be belittle myself. I go show I'm saying you don't know anything. Nobody you know them in a street now. Nobody you know man around a street. Oh no, but you don't know na ahia n'ụlọ mmadụ ọ gafete ọmadụ ebe ọ dị. Ibiri onye akpatọ, I swear, ọ ga-emecha buru akpa atụfuo. ọ ga-emecha buru akpa oshicha ahịa ọma nke esi ama nke etiri ihe na nke a na-eti ihe abụọ enwekwe nke a ga-eti ihe ka gbajikwa ya oshikwa ezigbo ike mekpe jee pak ọmụ ya ọ cheap articles ka unu na-eji aha ya onye obodo ịgbatara ya jeenu chọọnụ ndị nwere brain chọọnụ ndị nwere brain chọọnụ ndị nwere brain. They know say you no go fit near the house. Now why they go keep am there? Tell us say make he enter. Carry red cloth, put on top. Tell us say na juju. You go there, you no go enter that room. Even when you go enter that room, they sweep am. You no go know am. You no go know. Tell am say this thing, if you touch am, say if person go die for village or this and that. Onye ọma ihe wa ahịa ọhụnugo ahịa dị na bricks ọ bụ na ọ bụ na film ọma ka o shi eshi kechi onye anya were ihe ọcha shi gaa nso n'imi si aka ihe dị ya ọma ya he can only know mkpụrụ mmiri which I'm sure is the one that he could afford that time before he comes social media. Let me block one also. Okoko. Buputebe no wunu. Buputebe no wunu. Umiti. The owner of the restaurant in Karachi is from Okija. Yes! Yes, my brother. Yes, no Okija guy. No Okija guy. Yes, my brother. Yes, him ya. Iji point. Ako or sick of Akoko Pakistan na Kokedebi and Bosozo. Make we begin the Pakistan story or make we keep another day. After now, I go say Neza what they tell me. Eza one na big boy for Pakistan where this guy they sleep for restaurant now. Ask somebody tag Ezawo here. Tag Ezawo here. Tag Ezawo ebi na-enwe sense. Ebi na-enwe sense. Akuzayon, do you know any guy in Malawi that his brother came back during Xmas from France? Akirizayon, do you know anybody? I'm sure the guy must have gone back now. The brother is in Malawi. Do you know that person? And on Abaragaya. Ngwanu no say to go. Come and answer question. Biano sa juju ki ubodi ozu ashawo negi anuma na ezuzu. Pota no akwe furu me megide gi ihe. Nge megide gi ihe. Odiro obuna kpo me anywhere ngaza. I too big for you to arrest now. Anything where I talk about you. Like if I say you be this one, I go come prove it. Then this one I'm asking you, do you know anybody in Malawi? I'm still asking you a question. You are answering a question we are not asking yet. And if we not well, they don't go she one dirty thing. Member. Na pure local boy na. Nwiti. Kopia Ishi ko ugbo pepe. Anumpama. My people, thank you so much for joining me this wonderful morning. I hope we've learned one or two things with this more, except there is anybody that wants to contribute, in which case, Iri Ji may say, how far? The thing, yesterday, I don't know what thing they happen. I get their updates, even the one where they go still do. Thank you, my brother, for the 200. That my brother, we go show honor, we know honor. Know the one we una don't do, the one we una go still do, the one we una don't dey plan already, the one we una dey in the process now. Akuzayon, you say if you bring your old Nigerian numbers, we no go dey hear something. Yeah? De Philip, 700 stars. You want to go? na ma kupuko onwe m isi dia ndị Zion asị na ọchị ha kupuru m isi. You see, e no get as bird take fly where we know they see the belly. No matter how bird take fly for up, we must see the belly. So if you know say your hand no clean, why you dey carry unegi dey come social media? Akuzayon, I na apiri ya n'aka ọ bụ nke contact Iji. You no get contact, na money you go give them. Me na phone call. Wo be tied you say I can't change voice somewhere. Somehow. Uno report to Chacha. Uno, please my people, after this video, when I end, if you didn't see this video here, you will find it on the Big Masquerade. Ijele Speaks. Ijele Speaks Channel 2. Ijele Brain Reset and Undiluted Truth. So make them the report. Wait till you make our brother thank you for the 400 stars. Make a knock for center. There mother akuwa you dey understand me? This video go there everywhere what I just mentioned now. This video go there all the places where I just mentioned. So no worry. No worry. Let them report Ishi in there. Who will report to Chacha? In fact, since you know Charlie Meya, check and pause Ezawo. Should I call Ezawo? Or super Ezawo now? Okay, maybe kita. Ezbote Zion. Afia. Akiri Zion. Ibu ezi. Ako. Shebi you say anybody where you see you go fight her. Make me and you try. I na periya. Name the place for this Abuja. Like I said, na money you go dey spend me na phone call. Phone call. And if I, because of you, carry this my two left legs. Carry this my two left legs. Enter one office because of you. Nkege abuzie. Nkege kpome. Enuye na kwa gida. Nji ogo akwụkwọ aka ima mmene anything. Nga akụ gị kụọ gị bullshit. Eforo afọ ga dị ka dwarf GP tank. Mma zọgide wine. Eforo akpa amụ gị nga agbagide ya ọkpa na gị n'ime afọ. Enuye na agba gị mma etichacha gị ihe. Like I go so beat you. Nga akụ gị I na ama aka. Choose any field of your choice anywhere for this Abuja. If I no answer you, make I die. Choose any field for this Abuja. Make we do am like men first. Anumano, akpamu. Choose any field for this Abuja. Shebi una dey go. Okay, can we do it at that Suswan Garden? Gusapena, SAS headquarters, SAS operational headquarters. That CBN road and printing, that printing, minting and printing company road. That place now, Can we see in that field or pick any field for your area? Pick any field for your area. Nga kugide gi ihe. Nga na-eti gi ke gba akwa nna akụ ya na ya na village unu. Nga esugide gi suo gi ka ose. Anumpa. O ndị na-eme intimidate ọnụ ndị ara na ndị oti mkpu na-ego rice na Turkey. On all these ones where you dey buy rice and turkey for, you go dey do all those nonsense with. Immediately aru ebe no ye gezigbo. Thank you my people. I salute all of you.